Did you say something, B1?
I thought you did, B2. That's what woke us, B2.
What do you think it is, B1?
Let's find out.
Oh, it's just a little bird, B1.
A cute little bird, B2, singing a very happy song.
It's quite a loud, happy song, B1.
A very loud, happy song, B2.
A very, very loud, happy song.
Do you think we should ask it to stop, B2?
We'll have to. Otherwise, we won't get back to sleep, B1.
Excuse us, little bird. Would you mind singing more quietly?
Because it's very early and we'd like to go back to sleep. I think it understood, B1.
It's sleep time!
I don't think it's sleep time after all, B1.
I don't think so either, B2.
We're a bit slow today, B1.
Very slow, B2. Oh, that's my foot, B2.
Oh, sorry, B1. Ouch! That's my bottom, B1.
Oh, sorry, B2.
Maybe we need a little rest.
Good idea, B2.